Alright, I'm at job number 20901. It's called Lake Ballinger Village for Management Trust. Seal coat, striping, some crack filling, and some asphalt repairs. So, this has two entrances, and I'll show you the map. The map is like this. Drive aisle that comes all the way through and goes right back out. So as far as the striping goes on here, there's no stall numbers in it, but you've got 92 parking stalls that are 18 feet long. You've got 22, it says feet, but it's supposed to be 22 each white painted wheel stops. And then on the white painted speed bumps, you've got 60 feet. So that's 20, 20, and 20. So 60 feet of white painted speed bumps that are a foot wide. And then you've got white painted curb, which is 56 feet by 16 feet. Or not by, but 16 feet plus 56 feet. Sorry about that. Plus 170, plus 10, plus 40, plus 40. That's your white painted curb. I would say we need a day of power washing on this site for the seal coating. And there's carports that run along a majority of the property. So a majority of the parking stalls are undercover. Okay, so figure a day of power washing. Those are the white painted wheel stops I was talking about. They're basically a precast mountable curb that they use for wheel stops. You've got these curb islands here where some of them are painted on the ends, and then you've got, so I can't tell if all of that's painted or not because it looks kind of dirty, but you've got those curb islands. Some of them are painted all the way around. You've got these speed bumps that need to be painted. As you get up towards the top of the hill, this is where the asphalt repairs begin. So starting at that stall right there, you've got tree root damage towards the back half of it. So you've got an 8x8 patch right there, tree root damage towards the back half of the parking stall. On the third parking stall here, I think that's going to be okay. We can leave it alone. Over here, this parking stall, you've got some tree root damage beginning right there up against the building. So over in that corner right here would be a rectangular piece, and that's going to be a 2 foot by 6 foot repair. The clearance on this carport is about 7.5 feet. Okay, so about 7.5 feet to that beam. Okay, that's in that stall. And you've got, moving through here, there's some more tree root damage. There's some in this stall right here that's begun right in the center. So we're gonna go the width of the stall and go, let's go 9 feet by 3 feet. So we're gonna bring it all the way out to just underneath here. So to the poles, but centered in between these two poles. Go 3 foot wide, space all the way over 9 feet. Take out the tree root damage there. Okay. Moving along through here, we've got some tree root damage that has begun here. Looks like they might have done some patching here at one point. But we're gonna leave that alone. That's okay. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Let me take you to the next one here, just a second. So in the last stall here at Building C, you can see there's a nice Corvette parked here, but there's water that's being trapped in this stall. So we need to correct the path of travel for this water. So it means we'll have to probably raise it up a little bit towards the back end here, do this whole stall, and let's take out this tree root damage that's going right here. Looks like this root was trying to find a water source. So we're gonna go with an 18 foot by 10 foot here. 18 foot by 10 foot in this stall. Remove and replace 3 inches. And remove the tree root damage. There's 2 areas of tree root damage in that stall. Okay. And there's one other spot at the other entrance. Let me take you down to that. Okay, so at the mailbox kiosk where it says 23305, this is up near the top and towards the end of the parking lot. But you've got this strip through here, and there's tree root damage caused by the tree in the middle. Let's account for that there. So we've got a 2 foot by 12 foot section there, and it goes all the way to the concrete. It comes out 12 feet towards me. Okay. Again, not a lot of room there. There's carports on both sides, so not a lot of clearance there. Then as you head out the entrance here, you've got this driveway that's shared by the neighbors here. So got this road right there. That's a different property. So we're going to propose to seal coat half of this coming up and then draw a straight line over to the curb here, and we'll account for the seal coat on this half of the road. Okay, so there's crack fill that goes down the middle of this property here, and it doesn't look like it needs to be touched up, so I think we'll be able to let it go. I was going to account for this entrance here for some crack fill, but I think I'm gonna let that go because I think it's going to be the other company's or the other property's responsibility. Okay, so here's the front of the property. There's 2 entrances in and out for buildings A, B, and C. Not a lot of area for staging, but we'll probably break this up into a couple phases, and we'll be able to do the work regardless, and pull our equipment up into the property. I'm gonna look to see if there's any other areas for parking potentially. Hold on. Okay, because there's no reserved parking in this place, we've got this area right here to the left as you come in on the, I guess it'd be the north entrance, where we could use this area for staging, at least on some of it, when we come out to do asphalt work. All right, and then seal coat wise, yeah, I'm thinking probably 2 phases on here. 1 day of coming in and power washing, getting it all cleaned up, and 2 days of seal coat, 2 days of striping, and that would be it. It's not a lot of striping in here. It's pretty easy layout, pretty easy striping. For the seal coating, because of the carports, we got to take that in consideration for dry time. And then you got low clearance on those carports as well. There's gonna be a lot of edging to go around the buildings and stuff like that. So I think 2 days seal, 2 days stripe, and 1 day power wash, and another day for doing the asphalt repairs, and we'd be good to go. Again, this is for Management Trust right here, and our contact is Amra. I just lost a project today that I bid to her. Hopefully we can get an opportunity here at Lake Ballinger Village in Mount Lake Terrace. There's a job number. Thanks a lot.